Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Winter is fast moving away and spring is coming in, and I have started my spring DIYs and I have collected all my spring DIYs that I did so far in my spring DIY playlist. I'll put link in the card above and in the description box below. And today also I'm going to do another spring DIY and decor. Thinking of spring, one thinks of beautiful weather which is not so cold, neither too warm. There are new plants growing and blooms, and somehow for last few days I had been thinking of butterflies, and I'm going to decorate today a lantern in my home with butterflies. And that too using very simple items that are there in anybody's and everybody's home. That's what I love doing, picking something very ordinary and creating something beautiful, turning trash into treasure. I love doing a lot of DIYs, decor, home, recipes, sew, everything related to home within budget. And if that's just what you like to do, please hit the red subscribe button given below my video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's video is part of a challenge. This is a seasonal challenge, lantern decoration challenge being hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and I'll put link to her channel and the playlist that she has created in the description box below. So today I'm going to decorate my lantern, a lantern that was in my home with butterflies. Now if you like this idea, you can decorate any lantern that you have, any kind of lantern that you have using butterflies. You can even decorate your luminaries or candle holders with butterflies. The butterflies are pretty easy to make. I'm just using some chart paper or cardstock paper and cutting them into shape of butterflies. For making a butterfly, get a paper which is approximately a square and the size that you want your butterfly to be, and a sharp pair of scissors. Fold the paper into half. Now a butterfly's body has a body and two pairs of wings. So I'm going to make very thin cuts to make the body. Here a slit and a slit in this side, and then go ahead and make the wings. Now Mother Nature has made butterflies in different shapes and sizes, so if one of your butterfly cutout looks different than the other, it really doesn't matter much. They all look pretty. So this is how the folded piece would look, the body and the wings. Now open it and this is how it looks. Now I will fold the wings and the body part separately. So this is just the wing, and similarly on the other side, so that there are three portions now. Wings on the left side, the body, and the wings on the right side. Now this body part which is left in the center will be the place where I can add some glue or a tape and attach it to any surface I feel like. And I made many more, some in blue, some in light greens, and some in pinks. And let's now decorate. First thing, I need a lantern. This is my lantern. It's metallic and white in color and has an electric bulb inside it. Next, I'm going to take these butterflies that I made. I'm going to use some eggs. These are hand painted natural eggshells. Sellotape or double-sided tape. These are some plastic shavings for filling up gifts, and I'm going to use them as fillers. like this little cute, very pretty decor? I'm enjoying this in my corner of the living room. This place has all of a sudden become very happy. I think I will extend the butterfly theme a little more in this room. How did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you love the content of my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon with the next DIY. Until then, take care.